How to verify Coinbase account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your Coinbase account. Now the process is simple. If your account isn't verified, then if you open up Coinbase and log into your account, you should get a pop-up like this where it will ask you to verify your account or ID. In order to verify, first here you can see what you'll need to require. So it says prepare your document. You'll need a particular government verified ID that is valid for the next 3 months or that doesn't expire within the next 3 months. To verify quicker, you want to choose a document that clearly shows your address. Then you want to check your environment. Make sure you are in a well-lit environment and your internet connection is stable for your face verification. Then you want to make sure your details are visible. Your first name, last name, birth date and address should be clearly visible. You want to make sure that you upload the document in English, since only the English documents are accepted. Any other language is not accepted. You want to make sure that the document that you're going to submit should be in English. Then you want to tap on continue at the bottom of your screen. Go through the particular prompts where it'll ask you to submit the front of your ID, back of your ID and other information, your address and such. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.